If you have embedded YouTube videos in your Canvas course, those videos are now increasingly likely to display ads, suggested content, or links back to YouTube. To prevent this, you can replace your videos using Canvas Studio, a tool inside Canvas that lets you store, share, and play videos without YouTube ads or links. Canvas Studio videos do not show distractions like ads, they keep students in Canvas with viewers remaining anonymous to YouTube, and they include captions from YouTube when available. Here's how to make the switch. Open your Canvas course and go to Settings. Select the Feature Options tab and look for YouTube to Studio Content Migration. Select the red X and choose Enabled. Then refresh the page. In the course menu, YouTube migration is now enabled. Select it and choose Scan Course. Canvas will check for embedded YouTube videos in your pages, assignments, and discussions. Once the scan is complete, a list of videos will appear. For each one, select Review, then Convert, and choose Close when done. Repeat this process for any remaining videos. When everything is converted, you'll see All Converted, and the Review button will disappear. Your learners will now have a clean, distraction-free viewing experience. For more help, check the description below for links to our knowledge base article or our Get Help page.